with James Cooper-Jones from CropLogic, direct from the Australian Microcap Investment Conference in Melbourne. Can you give us a bit of company background on CropLogic?
Sure. CropLogic is a New Zealand company listed on the Australian Stock Exchange and currently servicing about 30% of the potato market in Washington State. We're an agricultural technology company, and our core business is providing traditional agronomy services with a technology overlay. So our technology focuses on in-field sensors, aerial imagery, and then predictive modelling.
Wow, very high tech.
Yeah.
So what trends are you seeing in the agri-tech space at the moment?
We're seeing an increasing interest in agri-tech, both at the grower level and then also at the capital markets level. I think we're probably all familiar with the figures that came out of World Bank. We're seeing them around the place at the moment, where food production needs to increase by 70% by 2025. What's also happening is land prices are increasing, water rights are getting more restrictive, so we're seeing growers increasingly looking for agricultural technology options to increase their yield. This is feeding demand in capital markets. Finstare and PitchBook just put out a report recently on the growth in capital market deal flow, which in 2012 was about 280 million. Year to date this year will be over $1 billion worth of deal flow in agricultural technology. So the smart money is following those trends. No one's predicting that world populations will decrease or that water usage will get more relaxed. So those trends are likely to continue, which is building a demand for agri-tech, and the smart money seems to be following.
And increasing the valuation.
Yeah, absolutely. What we're seeing, particularly in Northern Hemisphere, particularly around even with our comparators, is that valuations are very high. Even at that pre-million dollar revenue stage, you're seeing 60, 70, even $100 million valuations. So by that comparison, I think CropLogic is very attractive.
Is CropLogic expecting further revenue growth?
It's a little bit tricky to talk about growth so closely to the quarterly reporting period, but we've had a dramatic 12 months. We've grown our revenue from about $100,000 last year through a commercialisation strategy to now be doing about $2 million per annum. That's largely out of our key market there in Washington State. We're very open that we're looking at more further growth in the US, and we've kind of brought together, I guess, an Ocean's 11 team to do that. We've got a very capable CEO, Jamie Cairns, who has an MBA and has quite a few runs on the board, taking companies from almost no revenue to $20 million revenue per annum previously in his career. So we think the market's ripe for CropLogic, and we're definitely excited about the future.